Okay, in our calculation, we're going to include this information here. Okay, we have this table, chart, key. Okay, this one. We have this information here. And we're going to create here out of it a pivot table. Okay, here. We have a pivot table where we have the chart and the sum of keys. And I'm not going to show the totals. Here we are, we have this table. Now I'm going to add here, insert a slicer chart. Okay, here we are. I'm gonna make it like this. Options. I don't display the header. Okay, like this. Number of columns is 3. Okay, here we are. You have this. Then this slicer, I'm gonna cut this and put this in my dashboard. Here we are. And I'm going to format this. Okay, we have here this one. Okay, we have a slicer here. Gonna make it smaller. Okay, now that we have this slicer, we're going to connect this to our chart and then display the chart that we want. Okay, so now we're going to define a name, new chart select. Okay, and the reference to this is choose a function. In our calculation, this one, what, this or this or this. Okay, here we are. Okay, now we're going to define a picture. Okay, we're gonna do like this. We're gonna copy any of this. I can start with this one. I'm gonna dashboard and I'm gonna paste this as a picture here. And if I remember correctly, my name manager is chart select. I want to make this equal to chart select. Yes, I have a mistake here because my chart selector is different. It's the choose function. Okay, but this one are basically pivot analysis. This one, and this one. So let's see this. Okay, close. Okay, here we are. We are gonna update this. So it's amazing power of Excel now. You see, I created an image. What is that? Here we are. Quantity sold. So that's representative. Chart select. I have to see what is this chart select. So we have to recheck our chart select, edit. Okay, the first one is this one. The second one is this one. And the third one is this one. Okay, so now I'm going to put this a bit better. I'm going to put this a bit better. Okay, so we have now a different situation. Now I'm going back to where I was and I'm gonna see pivot table analysis. I'm going to make this all wall in this color and all around. Okay, this one. I can also use range names and I can also rename all this range somehow, but I want to keep it formulas, name manager, edit. The first one is this. Then we have this one, and then we have this one. I'm gonna close this. Here we are. Okay, let's save this and I'm gonna to my dashboard. Now we should have yes. Okay, reset. Okay, Yes, you see, it's amazing because we are selecting, basically we have an image which is connected to a table. Yeah, it's very good. This is just an image which is connected to a table where we have all this information. We can make it like in the center, okay, or make this smaller. We don't need this. We don't need this as well. But by the way, we understand now. Okay, here also we don't need here the grid lines here as well. We don't need the grid lines. So we're going to the dashboard, and here we have our changes. Okay, I'm going again to my pivot analysis, format, chart area, no border, here again, F4, no border, save, dashboard. Okay, and we have this. I can also center this image or make this slice. Yes, as it is. Format, align on the left, like this. Okay, so we created this, and then we're going to input some information about the region in the next video. Okay.